Floating on the edge of Lake Geneva, backed by the Alps, Chillon Castle is one of Switzerland's most stunning landmarks. A fortress, a residence, and a storybook come to life. The site's history stretches back to the 10th century, when a small fort was first built on this rocky islet to control trade routes between northern and southern Europe. Its position was perfect, naturally protected by water on 3 sides and mountains on the 4th. By the 12th century, Chillon became the seat of the Counts of Savoy, who expanded it into a grand lakeside residence. The Savoys fortified its walls, added towers, and built elegant chambers, transforming it into both a military stronghold and a luxurious home. In the 16th century, during the power struggles of the Reformation, the castle was seized by the Bernese, who used it as a state prison. Its most famous captive was François Bonivard, a Genevan monk imprisoned for 6 years, immortalized by Lord Byron's 1816 poem, The Prisoner of Chillon, which turned the fortress into a symbol of freedom and resilience. After centuries of changing hands, Chillon fell into disuse, but restoration in the 19th and 20th centuries revived its medieval charm. Today, it's one of Europe's best preserved castles, complete with 25 buildings, 3 courtyards, secret passageways, and dungeons carved into the rock. Visited by over 400,000 people each year, Chillon Castle stands as a masterpiece of medieval architecture, where mountain meets water and history meets legend. From fortress to poem, Chillon Castle is Switzerland's fairy tale on the lake.